short demonstration video of how I use the iUSB port, this little device here. It's a battery-powered unit that creates an ad hoc network that you can connect to via your iPad or computer. I use it and connect an external CF card reader that I got off of Amazon for about 10 bucks. And the goal for this was to replace my previous method, which was using a hacked iPad to connect directly to my 788T, pull off the file, and get it ready to send off to production. This is much faster, it's much cleaner, you don't need a jailbreak, and in fact, at the end of the night I use my iPhone instead of my iPad to just quickly send off the email to production when it's done. So the first thing I'm going to do is generate the report. So I hit the stop and menu button, and you can't read it because of the backlight, but it's created the report on all media, and I'm going to power the unit down. I record to my internal hard drive, the CF card in the back of the unit, and this external CF card reader. So pull the file out. Here's my CF card, which I'm going to put into the reader. Be careful not to bend any pins. And we're going to power up the iUSB port. Now it takes a minute or two to fire up, read this card, and create the ad hoc network which your iPad will use. So in the meantime, I'll show you the two apps that I use. The first one is the iUSBPort app. It's free to download, and that basically just allows you to get to all of the files on your iUSB port. The second one is PDF Export, which reads the CSV file from the iUSB port and creates a PDF file to send off to production or whoever wants it. The beauty of PDF Export is that it automatically will format the column width, which when my previous method was using the spreadsheets, various spreadsheets apps from iPad, and you'd have to go in and manually alter the column widths, which was a major pain in the ass. It really slowed you down sometimes. Okay, so the iUSB port has booted and read the card. So the next thing we have to do is go to our Wi-Fi and connect to the iUSB port. Takes a few seconds to connect, and I always press the little I to make sure it has given it an IP address, just to be sure. And now we click on the iUSB port app. It comes up, and there is our CF card. Anyone that runs a Sound Devices unit will recognize this folder structure. And this is my day 25 roll, and at the very top is my sound report. So I click on it, it opens up in the app, nicely formatted, pretty much ready to go. I click on the export, and I'm going to open it in PDF Export app. Click open. And here's the data. Including all the notes. And then we click in the upper corner here, convert to PDF. You can change the orientation. I'm going to set it to portrait. I'm also going to change the name of the report to just day 25. And save. Now in the Documents folder, Imported Files, there is our newly created PDF. Like I said, it's formatted the column width specifically for timecode and the notes. At which point you can then send it off to whoever you want, clicking on Mail, and there it is, PDF file, ready to be sent off. So, hope this can help anyone. It also works with the 664 pulling the apps off, or pulling the sound report off with either the CF card or the smaller card on this unit works also. So I'm guessing it'll work with Zaxcom units. I just don't have one to try. So hopefully this will help you.